Learning to Elul Nishmas Etta Ahuva Bava Metzia Perik Aleph Mishna Daled. Roas HaMetzia v'Nofa Alev. Someone sees a Metzia and he falls on top of the Metzia, and then someone else takes it away from him. So was the person who fell on it kaineh? Halach is no, he's not kaineh. The one that pulled it away is kaineh. So the Gemara asks, why isn't the first person kaineh with Daled Amis? Because we paskin that Daled Amis shaladam kaineh loy b'chol makam, and we are misakin that the leisi linsuya, that people shouldn't fight with each other. So they said that as long as whoever gets into the first, it's in his 4 amas first, so he's kaineh. So how come over here the person that was Roas HaMetzia v'Nafaleh, so it was in his Daled Amis, so why is he kaineh? So the Gemara says 2 terutzim. Either because since he was Nafaleh, so now he was Megaladas, that he only wanted to be kaineh with Nefila and not with Daled Amis, and therefore he never winded up making a kinyan. Falling on it is not a kinyan. Taisa speaks out that even the person that grabs it away is not even considered a rasha, even though we have a klal normally oni hamahapech b'chara ba'achar v'natoi nikar rasha. So over here, the person that fell on it, he was mahapech b'charara, and the second person that comes and grabs it away, he's taking it away from him. So chari should be a rasha. So Taisa's shita is they only say that ani hamahapech b'charara is considered a rasha on something like something that he could have been matriach to go ahead and buy it, but a metzia or a hefker that there's no other way for him to get it, so then he's not even considered a rasha. The second teretz in the Gemara is that Daled Amis over here is not kaineh because they were only misaking Daled Amis in a simta, but in Rishus Harabim they weren't misaking Daled Amis. Rashi explains she'ein la'adam sham Daled Amis miyuchedes. A person doesn't have his own area of Daled Amis in Rishus Harabim. Shaharbe chaverim yesh lebeseicho im denetzai. There are a lot of other people over there, so you can't say that the Daled Amis is miyuchedes loy, and therefore Daled Amis is not kaineh in Rishus Harabim. Mishnah continues, Ro yisarotza nachar metzia achar tzvi shaver. If they saw a person running after a metzia, after a deer with a broken leg, achar goyzer shalei parcho, after birds that can't fly, va'amar zachsa li sada, and he says, let my sada be zeicha for me. In other words, it's in its chaser. Zachsa he's kaineh with kinyan chaser. The Gemara explains that he has to be oimeh b'tzad tzadeo. Why? Because even though chaser is kaineh, that's dafka by a chaser mishtameres, but by a chaser that's eina mishtameres, it's not watch. So then the only way that he's going to be kaineh if he's oimeh b'tzad tzadeo, and he's able to run after this deer or after these birds and catch them before they leave his field. The seif of the mission is hayitzvi rotz kedarka shegoizos mafrichem v'amar zachsa li sada, and he's not able to get it lo yamar klum. So then chatzar is not going to be kaineh. Taisus points out that in the ratio of the Mishnah where he said v'amar zachsa li sada, if he says I let my sada be zeicha for me that he's kaineh, is lav dafka. He doesn't have to say zachsa li sada. However, the Taisus Yantav over here brings down from the Maga Mishnah Svara that even though by Daled Amis you don't need to say, let my Daled Amis be kaineh, but that's because by Daled Amis it's close enough to you that you could just bend over and get it. But by Chatzar, could be Yitakaduni to say Zachsa Li Sadeh, and then he would learn that the Lashon of Mishnah is Bedavka.